Good day to you. As we are dealing with quite a bit of solar and insurance, and everybody is obviously concerned about security of supply at the moment, and we're looking at panels and batteries to keep the electricity going, don't overlook the important thing that's always been around, and that has been solar hot water installation. I'm just going to remind you about this. We've seen a lot of this happening, and it could form part of an element of actually getting your security of supply. So don't overlook your hot water heating. It is, it can be up to 40, 50, even more % of your heating costs or your actual electricity usage. So definitely look at your hot water and see if that can be solarized. Because actually, in my opinion, from my experience, I see that as the area where you can actually save money, because your heating costs are a very high element of your average electricity bill, maybe 40% of your bill, and it could impact pay for your system. So look at the heating system. That is something that gets dealt with in terms of prescribed management rule 31. If we're talking about a sectional title environment, and we certainly are helping our clients look at this as an alternative. We like particular types of systems from an insurance risk point of view. Obviously, there's various, and I'm going to ask in the next video, I'm going to ask Glenn van der Favor of Waterlight to explain some of the differences and how they work. But from an insurance point of view, let's just say a solar system for your water would cost, say, 27,000 Rand. This can be financed, or you could actually have an upgrade system available when you're actually having your geyser insurance claims dealt with. Okay, so talk to your broker about solar options in terms of hot water, and look at it in conjunction with your policy and your geyser policy. Okay, just thought I'd mention that, and a following video will follow on where I'm going to ask Glenn to explain some of the hot water systems that are available.